Hi, my name is Daniel, and I'm graduated from Python 1, and that's the presentation that I had. So my idea with that final project is that I'm inspired by the book. It's including the elements of landmine. So I want to create a project that includes both turtle and an interactive game that a user could play. Some of my favorite project in class were the turtle shape and loop ones, like because they're like controlling and I can visualize those. And that's actually helping my math with the angles. Um, so what did I learn from for those project? First one I think is the most important, which is the functions. Functions are convenient because we don't need to rewrite the code time like the for loops or something. We don't need to write it for 1,000 times. Also, it's good to readability. Like we can read it like we can use the language that we know, not just like some language with computer. It's kind of really hard to guess. And number two is the conditionals. So conditional allows us to check in the certain conditions, and the nested loops or some conditional things let us more like also convenient to work those things. And that's the code examples with my final project. uh as you see, we can see like the blow up with the define function, player with the define function, player dead with the define function, and the for loops and the if no for loops if statements with my conditional something statements. And that's the demo with my project. uh Here I will play it for one time. So welcome to digital landmine. So directions are like, to play this game, there's a random number that computer chooses as landmine. You must pick a number every round, but you cannot stand on the landmine or you will blow up, as you see. So we can choose a level to start. I will just choose level 1. So you need to, oh, okay, there's a player up here, and you need to choose a number between 1 and 5,000. So you need to pick a number between it. I'll pick 250. Okay. The landmine is between 1 and 250. Computer guesses 118. So the landmine is between 1 and 118. I will guess in range of that. 65. Okay. So actually we are like competing with the computer. So the guesses with computer is 65 to 118. We need to guess a safe number with it. I will just choose 100. Oh. So the landmine is between 67 and 100. 75. Oops. 80. Yay, we win because the computer got the landmine. So computer get the 86, which is the landmine. So you lose. So we win, computer lose. And the favorite thing of that project is like the turtle backdrops. I enjoy the part I enjoy that part the most because I'm like figuring out those different angles, and it's actually helped me with the math. And the line that created with the different complex letters and shapes, as you see, there's a lot of things with the turtle one, and it's maybe fun being able to visualizing that turtle game and use my own ideas for the backdrops and characters. The characters Okay, I use debugging skills such as reading my traceback, and it's told me, okay, you have some error with the line something, and I need to fix it. So also there's something that didn't print it as the first time, and we just figuring out, oh, we didn't put the string with it. So I like to debugging. I like to debugging because we can, like, when I figure out those things, I will being so proud of myself. And if I have some time to continue work on this project, something that I can improve, it's like I because I found that the computer is always guessing some same number, so I may let him to guess another number, and also I can let it more visual illustrations, like when the player blow up, it can be more beautiful. Like the player win, it can like ooh, not just you win. Also, we can make it a multiplayer game because we just compete with the computer, but we can put like another we can put another version that has multiplayer. We can just compete with multiplayer instead of compete with the computer. So that's all. Thank you.
Yay, good job. You did so good.
Yay.
That was like 10 out of 10, I think.
Yay.